In this video, I'm going to teach you how to install Sparkle TV Player on Smart TV. So in order to do that, you first need to head over to your Google Play Store onto your TV. If you have an Android TV or a Smart TV, you should be able to have it. Alternatively, if you have an LG TV, you can head over to your App Store and find it from there as well. Click onto the search bar and from in here, search for Sparkle TV Player. Once you have searched for it, it should be able to show you right here this. So proceed to click onto this install option that will appear from there. Here is a sneak peek of what it would look like. It will give you some programs for the specific time as well as specific channels directly from there. So it's actually a great tool for TV. Head over and then just install it in order to use it as a TV player directly on your TV as well. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video actually helped you out.